ऑल राइट, लुक्स लाइक जितने लोगों को आना था सब आ चुके हैं। जिन्होंने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया है आज कर लीजिए। मृत्युंजय भाई आज तो लास्ट क्लास है, क्यों सो रहे हो यार कैमरा ऑफ करके? एंड अनम्यूट करो सब लोग खुद को। हाउ आर यू? और तुम थे कहाँ 2-3 दिनों से? हाँ मृत्युंजय, आप लोग को आज लिंक नहीं मिला था ना टाइम से? मेरे को यहाँ बैठ के पूरी टीम को ये लग रहा था ये योगेश, दिस इज योगेश, ही हैज कम आफ्टर। कहाँ थे मुख्यमंत्री जी? कहाँ थे आप 500 सालों से? अभी भी लाइब्रेरी में ही बैठा
हुन
हुआ है।
बोलन ना लग जियो, अनम्यूट है मैं।
तो ये अनम्यूट करके कौन बोलता है हुन बोलने ना लग जाओ? हाउ कूल यार। सिमरनजीत, यू स्लोली लूजिंग योर माइंड। अच्छा, सब लोग अनम्यूट कर लो ना। व्हाट इज इट दैट यू गाइस वांट? कहाँ थे?
हेलो
अब
मैम।
क्या करोगे कल से तुम लोग 6 बजे?
सनसेट देखेंगे।
क्या देखेंगे?
सनसेट।
सनसेट?
Actually, it's 6 to 7. I miss sunset. There's 6 to
व्हाट?
7 I always.
शट अप! Are you saying that you're going to get freedom from the classes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Just we just got link now. So
I
me
gave it.
and Simranjit
I pasted the link.
also called study. So
You
me
also
and I.
called?
Yes, I called study. I didn't know that it will connect with connected, and then he saw the message, and so I was
थैंक
getting
गॉड।
so
मेरे ना
desperate.
दिमाग में नहीं आता था बिकॉज जनरली मेरा टीममेट है वो ही पोस्ट द लिंक एंड ऑल। तो आई वॉज अज्यूमिंग, मैं 6 बज के 5 मिनट तक बैठी हुई थी, एक भी बच्चा नहीं। मैंने कहा चल ठीक है, सबको लग रहा होगा लास्ट क्लास है नहीं जाना है। बट सम ऑफ देम वुड कम। लाइक एक दो जने जैसे आप लोग जो ये बंच है प्रिसाइजली, इससे तो मेरे को एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि ये तो जरूर आएगा। इवन इफ इट्स फॉर 15 मिनट्स आएंगे जरूर। वैसे ये अभी भी नहीं आ रहे कल।
Everyone,
आई वाज लाइक, डू दे हेट
everyone
मी
was so
सीक्रेटली?
desperate to come.
Oh,
Yes,
what should we
yes.
do after this, man? I am going to miss you all so much. Who am I going to scold? So they won't be here. Sorry, you were saying something, Savan?
Nothing, ma'am. Actually, I want to say that I will also miss this class too much.
Yeah, man, that is going to be. I don't know, but as I said
Ma'am,
yesterday,
actually, ma'am, I have a suggestion or you can say request that to my fellow mates that is there any way so that we can still be connected with each other?
absolutely, you all must. You all should remain in contact with each other, and most of you keep visiting Delhi, and a lot of you are connected to Bihar and all that. So you guys can maintain a contact.
So
And you know,
this
you
class represents the diversity, uh,
right,
correct
definitely.
representation of diversity of India.
How cool, yeah, definitely. And we also have the cab driver. Cab driver, why are you on mute today?
Cab.
Shaurya, why are you on mute today? No one is supposed to be on mute. So there. So now,
Yes, ma'am.
from tomorrow, I'm not going to scold you. Are you going to be happy about it?
No, ma'am.
You were
This
complaining a lot, no?
no,
You
no,
gave
no,
me
ma'am.
a negative feedback.
That was only for hypothetical story, ma'am.
No, I understand. You all have been very, very respectful in the class, and it feels so good to finally see you all so confident and just say whatever is coming to your mind. That is like definitely one thing I am proud of.
It is due to you, ma'am. You have
No,
forced. You have.
no, 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 no. Your persistence. आपको पता है इस बैच में कितने admissions थे? 900 plus. Can you see the number?
900?
Of course. Up.
9?
900.
What is wrong with you guys? That is the usual number. Yeah. But can you see the
Starting
number
of
that जिसने day 1 शुरू किया था और वो आज तक बैठे हुए हैं? तुम क्या पार्टी, तुम कैनवसिंग कर रहे हो क्या इलेक्शन की? रक्तिम,
No, ma'am. I don't know what is going on.
please vote for Raktim. Please vote for Raktim. He's going on. So I was just saying that so many admissions and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people. And TK, there were a few like Sabha, Gitika, and
Ashu.
Mithilendu, Ashu, and there was another
Davi.
guy, Davi. She was there for a very long time. and अरे वो यार एक
Divyanshu also was there.
Sandeep Singh.
Sandeep Shekhar and Sandeep Singh, both of them, they joined for a very long time. And Divyanshu, who's Divyanshu?
Ashutosh Gupta, Divyanshu.
No, I had that conversation with Divyanshu about book versus screen. You remember that?
Manish Kumar. Manish was there till yesterday. Yeah, Divyansh. Oh yeah, Divyanshu. Now I remember, the one who was working in Delhi with some
DRDO.
DRDO. Right. Absolutely. So consistent people. Yogesh was also there for 15-20 classes, and then he went away on his big adventure. Amina was there. There used to be this girl, Vaishnavi Tripathi. You know, so क्या बोलते हैं वो? हम चलते रहे काफिला बनता गया, something like that. हमारा काफिला कम होता चला जैसे जैसे डांट की इंटेंसिटी बढ़ी, वैसे वैसे लोगों को लगा अब भागने का मौका आ गया. मृत्युंजय तो कल ही भाग गए थे. ये क्लास है, कौन जाएगा?
No, ma'am.
फिर जी का जंजाल वापस आ क्या?
Yesterday
न्यू
class
में
was postponed.
गुस्सा होके क्यों बोला तुमने? ये खुश होके बोलो.
Yesterday class was postponed.
No, beta. Yesterday the class was there. Day before that there was no class.
Ma'am, actually, yesterday my examination were going.
School exams?
No, ma'am. My
Your
PG
exams?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how did it go?
Ma'am, nice.
Nice. Vikas is not here in the last class. Acha, chalo, everybody, now one by one you have to share your experience in the batch. Good or bad, it doesn't matter. I want a very honest and crisp, to the point. Ye nahi ki 15 minute bol rahe hain. Just to the point, how did you find the people that you met in the batch? You can definitely talk about the batch as an experience. You can talk about me. You can give me feedbacks to improve myself as a teacher. And yeah, let's start. Let's see. Anybody who would like to go first? See, nobody
I
would
think
like
you
to go.
should start, ma'am.
I should start. My experience in the batch has been amazing. I have met some great people who I think in 75 days have become more than students. They've become my friends. And it is very rare for me to just open up and talk to them, talk to people from a very personal point of view. And with this batch, I've shared everything, be it my political, religious, social, corporate, every kind of experience, my personal journey, my personal loss, which I shared with you all yesterday. So everything, yeah. So it's been a very beautiful journey. I would definitely, so I tell you something which I wouldn't have told you otherwise. Some days I would not take a few classes during the day. I have 8 classes almost every day. So I would not take a few classes saying that I'm not keeping well, I'm not feeling well, or there's no electricity or something like that. But when it comes to this class at 6, if only there was a very serious, absolutely undeniable reason, then I would miss this class. And probably that has happened only twice or thrice, right? 75 days, and through 75 days, I've taken all the classes only because you guys were so dedicated. I loved seeing that spark in your eyes when you came in. And when I saw that finally you guys are speaking fluently, that made me feel amazing. It is always a very victorious feeling for a teacher. And you know, this is something like I've created this. So it's a beautiful feeling, and all thanks to you guys. It has nothing to do with me. It is all your effort. So yeah, that was my experience with the batch. What about you guys?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say something about this batch, ma'am. Yes, at the starting of the sessions of 75 days, I was very nervous, ma'am. Even I don't have check all the checklists you have been provided in this batch. What will be the terms and conditions? And after enrolling in this batch, you have forced everyone to come on the Zoom. At the starting, I don't have even such type of courage to appear in front of my friends who are here. You have sometimes supports supports much, and sometimes you have scolded. Then just such type of behavior, just I don't believe this. In terms of point, as a communicator, as a trainer, I will give you 5 out of 5. Literally, it is. I'm not joking. But when yes, ma'am. When you are teaching grammar classes at the starting, because I have studied a lot of grammars, ma'am. If you are going to teach that type of cliche things, that you are going to teach so much amount of grammar, then I am not going to write. When I saw your classes, you are teaching in a very crisp manner, very little bit. Then I was so excited. Oh, I can write. Then I was not feeling any bored on that time. Then this type of technique helps me to bring in such type of long session, ma'am. After 25 days, I am available here. This is my first time where I
How
have
nice.
attended this much amount of. I have devoted this much time of any classes, ma'am.
So cool, yeah. You're so kind, and thank you so much. I'm very happy. I did not know that I deserve this kind of feedback, but thank you, and I'm very proud of you. You know what it says? It takes 66 days to recreate yourself as a person. आप अपने आप को एक इंसान के तौर पे पूरा बदल सकते हैं 66 डेज में, और आपके पास अब ये 6 से 7 का जो टाइम है सुदय, आप इसे हमेशा, इसमें से भले 15 मिनट ही सही, आधा घंटा ही सही, बट डेडिकेट कीजिएगा टू लर्निंग न्यू वर्ड्स, to maintaining good pronunciation, to having a solid body language that you have. So I would want you to continue this. This has to be a part of your life. Thank you. Very proud of you. Right? Anybody else? आज भी डरोगे? आज भी
I want
डांट
to say
खाओगे?
something.
Yes, Savan.
At first, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Absolutely good. Thank you.
Ma'am, it was. I can recall that it was I think 18th of January when I attended your first class. Actually, I came from. I just came from. I just appeared in one of the examination of, I think, IB examination. So on that day, I found that you were scolding someone on the online classes. I thought that, I think I met with a very, you can say, a teacher who who is always angry with students. But with the passage of time, I felt that you're a nice teacher, and ma'am, I joined the English medium school when I was in class 6. Before class 6, I was studying in the Hindi medium school. But the one thing that I always missed, that the fluency in speaking English up till I joined your class. Actually, ma'am, this was the first time I was expressing myself in complete English, and you can say that I was trying to become fluent or eloquent in speaking. So you, in that process, you helped me a lot. It is very, very, you can say, helpful for me to join the class. It was the day I can remember that I was scrolling the reels in the YouTube, and suddenly I found your video. I think one of your student was telling about the day 1 and day 27,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I just made the plan that no, I will join this class, whatever it will be.
Now I'll show you your transformation very soon. So much
Huh?
of difference. I will show you your day 1 and your day 75. You can feel it. I don't have to show you
Yeah, ma'am.
anything.
Now, actually, ma'am, when I joined the class, I was very nervous to
Yeah.
speak in front of so many people. And at present, I definitely can say that I am feeling so much confident in speaking English. And although I'm not still a good speaker, but I'm improving day by day, and I'm trying to just redress my all the mistakes which probably not you can say it will still remain inside me, but I can say that I will definitely improve myself one day, and maybe, if possible, ma'am, I just want to talk with you personally one-to-one talk so that I can judge that whether I am speaking equal to you or better than you or not.
Definitely better than me any day. And I will always be available for all of you. I am easily findable on Instagram. You should have my email address. वो मैंने आप लोगों को बोल के यहाँ पे दिया था. And I am available on Telegram. So whenever you need to connect with me, even if it is about written English, if it's about grammar, if it's about anything that's bothering you, any of you ever wants any help in English, I'm always there for you guys.
Ma'am,
And
actually, one thing I want to tell you that actually, ma'am, whenever I write something, I feel I face some difficulty in writing the sentences, ma'am, just like essay type.
तो
So
अभी तुमने
what?
स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस की है बहुत सारी.
Yes,
अब जो तुम्हारा रिटन होता है ना, उसमें दो चीजों का काम होता है, एक रीडिंग और फिर राइटिंग. क्योंकि राइटिंग के टाइम आपका ब्रेन जो है वो ग्रामर पे कम ध्यान दे रहा होता है, वो कंटेंट पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहा होता है. तो वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस. हम जितनी अच्छी चीजें पढ़ते हैं, तो जैसे पहले मैं बोलती थी कि गाइस टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट और वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, लेकिन जब आप थोड़ा थोड़ा रीड करने लगते हो तब आपके अंदर अपने डेवलपमेंट्स होते हैं. और अब मैं कहती हूँ गाइस टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डाइव इन अ डीपर कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. अपने आप एक एडवांस ग्रोथ आपको दिखती है. And as you said, there are some flaws, some problems that are going to remain with all of us. Life is a journey, you know. We do not learn anything in 30 days or we do not learn anything in 1 year. We keep learning it, right? हम through out सीखते हैं. और at this point अभी तक मेरे 2 students ने मुझसे बात की है. दोनों ने थ्रू एंड थ्रू इंग्लिश में बात की है. दोनों ने बिना अटके झिझके डरे बात की है. So I'm proud of both of you, and you just need to know that you are doing a great job already. So very proud of you. Thank you so much. You're such a kind-hearted person. I remember having very heated discussions here, scolding. ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? ये कैसे तुम लोग बोलते हो? Why did you do this? ये क्या filler sounds है? सावन को तो सबसे ज़्यादा डांट पड़ी है filler के लिए. But now when I see you all doing so well, I'm just happy, यार. This is pure bliss. मैं ऐसे मेडल की तरह लगा के रख लूंगी कहीं.
one thing just I want to praise you. Day before yesterday, I found some of your reels on YouTube. There I came to know about your multi-talent.
I was singing, right?
Dancing well as well.
I was dancing. I don't dance though. Oh, must be my best friend's wedding. See, this is
Yeah,
the
I
problem
think
of this profession. When you get onto YouTube, everything you post somewhere is
ma'am,
content for someone.
I just watched each and every reels of you. And
Okay, that's very embarrassing. I'll tell you why. Because so that was on my private Instagram initially, and my office mates were on that page also. They picked it up and they posted it on Instagram. And now my mother saw it and she said, "You're a teacher. You're not supposed to do this on YouTube." I said, "It's out of control now. अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर
ma'am,
सकती."
I was just laughing a lot by reading the comments.
You're not
on
supposed to. Don't read
think-
comments. Yeah, I will kill myself the day I get to know that my students are reading those comments. No. क्या क्या लिखते हैं यार भाई.
one bizarre comment was there, ma'am. I don't want to point out here.
A lot of bizarre comments. Bizarre comments. A lot of them, yaar. Aji, I was taking YouTube classes. Abusive comments. For what? So sometimes people come and abuse. Sometimes they show love. Sometimes they want to be like you. And a lot of things. So it is life.
One of the comment was on your makeup. Sorry.
कौन रहता है इस आदमी के घर के पास? Where do you live? Are you in Bihar or are you in Delhi?
Delhi.
I'm sending gundas. Wait.
No,
चलो
ma'am.
भागो. बहुत हो गया हंसी मजाक. Thank you so much for your time. And my makeup is always good. Just shut up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So now you also say something. And stop jhuloing jhula. Shows that you're nervous. Are you fighting with your husband in like live class? We are going to be team him. We will support him.
No, ma'am. We are just discussing about last class.
Last class? Are you going to cry for the last class?
2 days class, ma'am.
Today's class? Okay. So discuss it with me now.
Mhm. It was very wonderful experience, and I feel very changes in my life and in my studies as well. Um, you support me a lot, and more. I attended so much online classes, but in this batch, this was fabulous batch.
Okay, you are a fabulous student, and why are you worried? You have to be happy and smiling, and you have to be very confident. You told me once you clear your exam, you will have to come and meet me. Interview के पहले you have to talk to me. All you UPSC aspirants,
Yes,
सब लोग
ma'am.
इंटरव्यू के पहले मुझसे बात करेंगे और फिर इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे, है ना, ताकि मैं ग्रिल करके तुम लोग को डरा दूं। और मुझसे बड़ा चुड़ैल तो वहां कोई बैठा नहीं होगा, तो जब मेरे से मिल लेते हैं तो फिर सामने वाले का डर कम हो जाता है ना। सो स्माइल करेंगे। एंड आप जैसे मैंने सुदय को बोला, सावन को बोला, आपको भी आई विल टेल द सेम थिंग। यू हैव टू गिव 1 hour जो आपका यहाँ पे डेडिकेट होता था ना, आप 15 मिनट 20 मिनट दो, बट यू विल गिव इट टू योर स्पीकिंग हैबिट्स। You will
Yes, ma'am.
make sure that for the rest of your life, whenever Simranjeet speaks, everybody listens to her. Whenever you're trying to explain something or you're trying to connect with somebody, they should feel privileged. Why is this educated person talking to me? That has to be the core belief, right? So smile करके बात करते हैं, मुंह नहीं उतारते हैं। दुखी क्यों हो रही हो तुम ये?
No, ma'am.
गुड गर्ल, ऐसे ही स्माइल करते रहना है। गुड जॉब, थैंक यू। चलो, let's talk to who wants to go next. Bhavini.
Yes. So,
Bhavini told me, thank God your classes are getting over. I'll get to watch my sunset.
yeah, everyone in my home is like today's Bhavini's last class of Nisha ma'am. Everyone is a fond of you, seriously.
Seriously?
Yes. And I would like to share my experience that I have done a lot of classes on when I was, so I come from Gujarati medium schools as I belong to Gujarat. So till 12th I have been in a Gujarati medium, and so there I had done classes of English class, but this class has not just taught me English, but put your opinion on something, to be confident in your opinion, or to talk, just to have conversation with everyone. And they are really kind people, and when you speak, they really listen. Like they listen.
She wants to say listen. I know.
They really listen to you, and you never felt that anyone is judging you for your misbehaving, for your mistakes and all. So yeah, they're really kind people. I really look forward to come this guys. And to be honest, at many time I was very afraid to come here, that you will scold me or I will make mistakes. But I come because of your energy that you bring out in a class, and that made me confident enough to come and to speak. Even though I made mistakes, even though I was shivering, like from the first class to this, I always shiver like.
But now you've always been a very fluent speaker. Don't lie. You've always spoken in a go. Yes, there are grammatical mistakes and they are a part and parcel of life. Till today, sometimes I forget grammatical concepts and we end up making mistakes, Bhavani. Solid kids like you all do not ever need to underestimate themselves, you know. मैं आप लोगों को हमेशा बोलती हूँ, अपने कोर बिलीफ पे काम करो। एक जो होता है ना आइडेंटिटी शिफ्ट, उस मेथड से किसी भी गोल को पाने की कोशिश करो। हम सारे जो हैं, हम टारगेट करते हैं एक गोल को कि मैं प्रधानमंत्री बन जाऊं जाके, और फिर बस सोचते हैं कि 4 दिन पढ़ाई कर लेंगे, रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा एंड विल बिकम समथिंग। एंड व्हेन दैट डजंट हैपन, आफ्टर 4 days वी फील shattered, right? I'm telling you all something. There is a thing called identity shift when you're trying to become something. For example, sometimes people are very clearly able to decide, ठीक है मेरे को IAS officer बनना है and this is what I have to do in order to become an IAS officer. Some people don't know that. Some people need to go reverse. They need to know कि चल ठीक है मैं हूँ IAS officer, और अभी मैं IAS officer हूँ, तो इस वक्त मैं क्या कर रहा होता, अपने इस टाइम को मैं कैसे यूज कर रहा होता, मैं क्या सोचता, क्या बोलता, मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसी होती, right? So this is called an identity shift. We do not need to ever underestimate ourselves. everybody makes mistakes. Number one, देखो हमेशा हर पढ़े लिखे विद्वान और सफल इंसान ने ये कहा है कि अपने आप को कॉमन लोगों से या नॉर्मल बेसिक लोगों से डिटैच कर लो, राइट? हर इंसान ने ये बात कही है, बिकॉज ऑल दोज हु आर ट्राइंग टू फिट इन टू द बॉक्स ऑफ सोसाइटी, दे आर गोइंग टू बी सम बेयर मिनिमम। यार बहुत सारे ऑफिसर्स हैं, बहुत सारे पॉलिटिशियंस हैं, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, बट हम कितनों को जानते हैं? वी नो अ फ्यू ऑफ देम, राइट? एंड वी नो द वंस जिन्होंने कुछ अलग किया, जिन्होंने शायद गालियां भी खाई, बुराइयां भी सुनी, फिर लेकिन बहुत तारीफें सुनी। आप उस आइडेंटिटी के साथ आओगे। You have to be the person that you want to be. I am this officer, this is my post, this is my position, this is my rank, and this is how this person will behave. And you all have to have this clarity in life, right? So आगे से ये बोलना I am not enough or I do these mistakes or this is lacking in me, ये इस क्लास के साथ खत्म, इसको छोड़ो, and this is how you move on in life. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you so much for your time, and you are a dear child. All the best.
Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance. I want to ask one thing, ma'am.
No answers to you. You have insulted me.
No, ma'am, actually, I want to know, ma'am, how you remain always calm and composed.
I am
It's very-
never calm and I'm never composed. I
how
am
you
almost.
ma'am, I really like the patience you, ma'am, you
No,
have.
that happens, beta. पिछले 8-10 सालों से I have only been showing patience to people making mistakes, being rude or whatever sometimes. So वो तो that comes to you, but I'm not a calm person. But I would like to tell you that I fake very well. So when I'm not calm, I'm able to pretend that I'm calm. When I'm not composed, I'm able to pretend that I'm composed.
Actually, I watched one of your reel in which you were scolding a guy very much, means in a way that you told him that बेटा कभी सामने सामने मिलो तो तुम्हें बताएंगे कि मैं क्या हूँ. Actually, I was wondering that how you maintain this calmness in you while
No, you should watch the videos of like 4 or 5 years back. I used to get into arguments and scold people. Yeah, you don't have an option, Savan. When you have a social life, you know, you become something which is a little public. कोई भी आके कुछ भी बोल सकता है, राइट? एक फालतू से यूजर नेम के पीछे, आई विल टेल यू, जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो ना, आई वॉज टीचिंग ऑलमोस्ट 5,000 people live that day, and a fake ID came and started abusing my mother. And आप imagine करो that अब से करीब 3 साल पहले की वो बात है, and I was younger then, and I was working every day too much, right? So you take a few things to your heart and then you react in a certain manner. But then I told, all my family guides me a lot of times, and they tell me that, you know, वो 5,000 लोग में से 5 लोग शायद तुम्हें कुछ गलत बोल रहे होंगे, but वो जो बाकी लोग बैठे थे, they were all there for your goodness, because they wanted to study from you, with you. So when you change your perspective, कुछ चीजों को आप बस ऐसे direct देखते हो, फिर आप भिड़ जाते हो. कभी कभी चीज को perspective घुमा के देखना चाहिए, and then you understand that it's fine. And मेरे को गुस्सा बहुत आता है. I've always mentioned it to all of you that I'm a short-tempered person, and that's my weakness. First of all, I always tell my students it's not cool to be short-tempered or impatient or rude with anyone. वो भी गलत है. तो ये चीजें धीरे धीरे, यार, किताबें, अच्छी कंपनी, अच्छे पॉडकास्ट्स, एक बड़ी एस्पिरेशन लाइफ में, ये चीजें आपको बहुत आगे ले जाती हैं. दे मेक समथिंग ऑफ यू. आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन आई हैव चेंज्ड एज अ पर्सन. Thank you for asking that. Shaurya, why do you hate this batch so much that you don't want to say anything about it?
No, sorry, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You were laughing. When Savan said, "Why are you so calm and composed?" he was laughing. Because he does not think that I'm calm and composed.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, so I'll be sharing my experience of this batch, my journey.
Yes, please.
So basically, I enjoyed it a lot. And initially, when Zoom classes did not start, those sessions were also very interactive and fun. But when the Zoom classes started, it was completely different experience. Like we were supposed to speak and have conversations with each other. So in the initial days, I used to get very nervous whenever that unmute option used to pop over my screen. But ma'am, you were so supportive, and everyone in this batch was so cooperative that gradually, when as the days passed, I got familiar with all of you, and um, that I got comfortable in speaking in English. So gradually, that nervousness also ran out. And another thing is that, ma'am, the activities that you conducted throughout the batch, so it was so fun. They were challenging, but like all of them was so interesting.
Yeah,
So
and most of you performed so well in all those activities. I still remember that Bhojpuri song wala thing. I mean, that shows यार some students का presence of mind पता चलता है इन चीजों से, and that is definitely a very commendable. Yeah, like your journey also has been commendable in the batch, Shaurya. I always look forward to your opinions, your insights over topics, and the way you have always maintained a certain decorum. All of you. It's not only one individual, but each one of you. But yeah, overall, a great interaction, a great meet with you.
ma'am, primarily I joined this batch to improve my communication skills, but I ended up learning a lot more things than just communication. Like I gained a lot knowledge on different topics. I developed perspectives on different issues, and more importantly, ma'am, you sharing your experiences and wisdom is, I believe, something that is always going to help me in my future. And finally, I want to say this to
शौर्य को फोन पे करना पड़ेगा मुझे, पैसे दिए मैंने उसको तारीफ करने के. हाँ बेटा.
finally, I want to say this to everyone that this is just the beginning, and we all took the first and the most important step, that we all decided to improve and to work on our English, and we made it to the final day. So I want to thank each and everyone, because you might not have felt it or realized it, but each one of you has inspired me in some way or the other. Listening to your stories, your experiences, your dedication and determination, it motivated me to work hard as well. So today this batch is ending, but I have a long journey ahead of me. So I will keep on improving. I will keep on practicing. And years from now, this is the batch I'm going to reminisce about when I talk about how I got good in English. Thank you, ma'am.
Yay! So well done, yeah. So proud of you. How well spoken. And thank you. Yes, each and every member of this batch has contributed cumulatively to all of our growth. You know, I've learned so many things from all of you. All of your patience, your behavior, that passion that you all carry in your heart. You know, everything from knowing that so many of you want a certain job and how badly you want it, and from knowing that, you know, some of you had to leave your jobs to look after your families and you still onto it, and looking after your parents and still doing the best that you can. You guys have really added so much to my life. What a beautiful experience. Every time I heard Shaurya's story, उसकी एक बहुत अच्छी बात है जो मैं यहाँ पे highlight करूंगी. वो उसने अभी कुछ दिन पहले भी बताया था how he pushed himself out of the comfort zone once again, right? So ये एक चीज है जो मैं आप लोगों को बोलूंगी कि आप सब लोग ये करते रहना. As I said, दुनिया की सोचोगे तो वही घिसी पिटी चीजें करोगे, राइट? तभी वो तुम्हें जज नहीं करेगी. अदरवाइज तुम कुछ भी करोगे, तुम उनसे आगे निकलने लगोगे, थोड़ा तुम्हें अटेंशन मिलने लगेगा तो उनको परेशानी होगी. तो तुम लोग प्लीज डोंट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द हर्ड. यू हैव टू बी लाइक योर पर्सन. जो तुम बचपन में सोचते थे ना कि यार कोई ऐसा इंसान होना चाहिए जो मेरी बात समझे, मेरे पास बैठे, दैट पर्सन हैज टू बी यू. ठीक है? फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. That's one thing. And hi, Anjana. How are your research papers going?
Going well, ma'am. Actually,
Tell us
I
about
would
your
like to-
journey.
Ma'am, I would like to share my gratitude wholeheartedly to you. You are such a great teacher. Really, ma'am, you are such a great teacher, first of all. And you were so supportive, and sometimes you are angry, you are scolding us, and I will remind all the things. And I would like to share one of my experience here. Sorry, ma'am.
Are you going to cry?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing? I
Ma'am,
would start
actually,
crying.
I have some allergy problem.
Oh,
Therefore,
allergic to me?
yeah. No,
Yeah.
ma'am, not you. Actually, here 36 degrees Celsius today,
Here,
and very
39
hot.
degrees Celsius today.
Actually, for us, it is very hot. And
Unbelievable.
actually,
You were going
ma'am,
to tell me some experience. Sorry.
yeah, when I joined this class, actually, I was in very bad situation that time. My mother was in ventilation at the time, and she was almost 1 month in the hospital in critical care. At the time, Rockteam introduced you. First, when I joined in mid-February in this class, that day also, that was, I think, second or third day, I think. He was calling someone that day also. I was so scared.
Everybody has to talk about my scolding. इतना तो मैंने डाटा भी नहीं है यार.
That day, you you were teaching some grammar, and I was like, oh, I know these things. I know all these things. But when you ask something and I did not answer, I don't did not able to answer the thing. Then I feel like, oh, I don't know anything. Really, I don't know anything. And when you ask me to speak something for women education, women empowerment, literally, I did not say a 2 line also that time. I don't know anything. My mind is empty, and I don't know what to say. Actually, my mind is empty. I don't. When you say that deliver something, I could not deliver 2 line also at that time. But actually, I'm always busy in research and practical work. And for the last 5 years, I was in silent mode. I never talked to anyone because I'm always busy in hardware. I'm preparing one inverter and for my research paper, and I always failed. One day you tell me about you told about failure in our life. And that day I spoke to Raktim. I tell him that I always failed. I always failed, and from the morning 6 a.m. to evening 10 a.m. I always failed, and I never get my output. I nothing a result, and I don't know how to complete my PhD at the time. But this class triggered me a lot, and now I am in Trek. And today I got a result in my experience also, and I want to share this thing to you all. And I'm very happy today.
I'm also very happy today. Finally, after so many falls and debacles, Yogesh has written a very sweet message and Komal has written a very sweet message. मैं आपकी क्लास को फील करूंगा. This class was heart to heart connection with me. You are very best and lovely teacher. Oh, this is so cute. I wish तुम थोड़ा regular होते तो मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी और English सिखाती, but you're definitely a very kind-hearted person, Yogesh. And Komal, God bless you, beta. Yes, you definitely missed a lot of your classes, but I know that you were in the batch, so that's one thing. And Anjana, failures and successes, they do not define you, they do not define me. Every moment that you enjoy, everything that you enjoy, that defines you. You are literally never going to wake up one day and say, you know what, that day I worked for 26 hours. But you're going to one day definitely say, you remember when I was 23 years old, I went out with my friends and I laughed so much. I had such a good time. So anything that you are passionate about, anything that makes you happy is always going to be there for you. You're a very hardworking and a very strong girl. I've known about your mother from a very long time, and you've always had a very beautiful and patient smile on your face that makes you one of a kind. So अच्छा कर रही हो. Just make sure that you remain focused on this. जो grammar की छोटी छोटी गलतियां हैं वो भी eliminate करना है, हमें intentionally करना है. ठीक है ना? Thank you so much and God bless you and congratulations finally for some results.
Yes.
योगेश आप तो लाइब्रेरी में हो, हाथ जोड़ के नमस्ते आपको. Okay. I think Yogesh will cry. Yogesh, थोड़ा सा रो दो. Hi, cab driver, what's up? If I'm visiting
All
Assam,
good,
I'm going to call you so that you can be the cab driver for me and Anjana. Tell us about your
Definitely.
journey.
Yeah, it was a very good experience, I must say. At first, I was also I was nervous first, and even today, I am little bit nervous. I know, because words are not coming to my mind to what to say and how to express the feelings, honestly.
That's
And
okay. That's because a legend, a goat is sitting in front of you.
yeah,
Do
that's
you know
right.
what is a goat?
Yeah, great of all time.
Greatest of all time, great
Oh,
of all
great
time.
taste.
फीडबैक में भी
Yeah.
इसके एरर निकाल दिया मैंने. मैं इतने सारी देर से बच्चों को वो कर रही थी कि नहीं नहीं नहीं.
Mm.
चलो बताओ. How's life?
Yeah, all going good. Looking forward,
To do
it will be
what?
good, more
Papa's
good.
business? Looking
No,
forward to do
no.
Papa's business?
And looking
Then,
forward to, explore more. That
very
is the
good.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're a very patient person, but there is something going on in your mind all the time, and you need to make sure that that something involves you. You have to think more of yourself. Okay, don't become
Right.
selfish, but have a plan. Don't just kind of wander around. Have a plan, you know. So it
Yes.
was good to have you in the batch, buddy. Keep smiling
Thank
and
you.
keep making those comments that you make on the students here.
Mm.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye. Ritunjay bhai, कहाँ गए?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. We just want to know how was your journey in the batch? A little bit,
Ma'am,
maybe.
my journey was quite good. Uh, Ma'am, in this whole journey, I learned lots of things. Especially, I want to speak. Before joining this match, I was like introvert. I am even not talking in Hindi. My colleagues, they were always scolding me. ये ये चुप रहता है, इसको बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता. Now I'm become extrovert and I am able to speaking also in Hindi and also in English, because you are only ideal person who inspired me to speak English. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am,
your
for
ideal
your
person made
contribution.
you talkative.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, यार सही insult किया आपने. What is this?
No, ma'am.
No, it was good to have you, Mrityunjay. And I remember first 2-3 times when I unmuted you, you did not say a word. And you used to have this serious expression on your face. And then eventually, after 10-15 days, I saw that this person can smile a little bit. And then today, you are always smiling. So it was a great experience to connect with you, to know you as a person, to know each one of you as individuals. And I only wish you all the best in your life, for your life. And I just want you all to not be common. Basic मत बनना जिंदगी में कभी भी. ठीक है, कुछ भी कर लेना. मैं कहती हूँ अपने हाथ से अपना पैर काट लेना, बट बेसिक मत बनना. आई नो वो एग्जैजरेटेड एग्जाम्पल है, बट बेसिक अच्छा नहीं होता है. कभी कभी तो मुझे सुनने को मिल जाए कि कुछ एक अलग कोई इंसान है, फिर मैं बोलूंगी मैंने पढ़ाया था. मेरे को सिर्फ क्रेडिट चाहिए, बाकी आई डोंट केयर. ठीक है. So good to talk to you, and thank you so much for sharing this beautiful feedback with me. And
Ma'am,
I hope, sir,
ma'am,
ये फिर पूछेगा.
how can I remain in contact with you? What is your
Telegram, Instagram, email, all you have.
Instagram ID? I don't know.
Udisha Mishra, UDISHA MISHRAA. Everybody who जिसको भी interview, exam, written, whatever you guys are preparing, UDISHA,
MI
SH
such
RAA.
मैम
R
जी,
is this an Instagram ID, ma'am?
this is my Instagram ID. नहीं तो किसकी होगी? हाँ, सिमरन
मैम
बोलिए।
किस टाइम मैसेज कर सकते हैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
अरे पंजाबी में पूछोगी, कभी भी कर सकती हो। मेरे को बोलनी नहीं आती है, बट ऐसे पंजाबी में बोलोगी तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी। एनी टाइम। एंड तुम्हारे मैसेजेस के तो मैंने रात रात में भी रिप्लाई किए हैं। क्या बकवास कर रही हो तुम? आई ऑलवेज रिप्लाई टू योर मैसेजेस।
ठीक है।
ठीक है,
हाँ जी।
सही, बढ़िया। एवरीबडी गिव मी अ ब्राइट स्माइल वन लास्ट टाइम। आई मिस यू गाइस सो मच। ओ माय गॉड, ऑल माय लव टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Ma'am,
यस,
ma'am, could you repeat once again the email ID, ma'am?
ईमेल आईडी उदिशा मिश्रा, UDISHA MISHRAA
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, आमिना
And
बेटा,
usually, ma'am,
सॉरी,
you will be available on YouTube also, ma'am. Usually, you
yeah,
take
I'm
class.
taking spoken classes on Study IQ YouTube channel 3:30 p.m. and Study IQ skills almost regularly, so I'm connected there as well. I'll be there with you guys.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Thank you.
एंड आमिना, आपका एक कंप्लेन था कि इस बैच में आपकी क्लासेस मिस हुई हैं काफी सारी, स्पेशली रमजान से लेके अब तक की। सो आप कह रहे हैं कि आपको एक और बैच चाहिए। मैं पहले ये कहूंगी कि आप थोड़ा टाइम लीजिए, ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ते का, और आप सोचिए कि क्या आप कमिटमेंट के लिए रेडी हैं। क्या आप 75 डेज दोबारा दे सकती हैं? क्या आप रूटीन फॉलो कर सकती हैं? क्या आप प्रॉपर इंटरनेट के साथ स्पीकिंग एक्सरसाइज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं? अगर आपको सबका आंसर यस मिलेगा, फिर मैं आपको बैच के बारे में बता दूंगी। बैच हमारा आ चुका है, स्किलिंग फोर्थ, एंड studyIQ.com पर अवेलेबल है। आप एडमिशन ले सकते हो, बट मैं पैसे वेस्ट करने से रोकती हूँ बच्चों को। जब तक आप कमिटेड नहीं हो तब तक डोंट डू दिस। ठीक है, बाय
Ma'am,
गाइस। हाँ जी, बताइए।
I would like to compliment one more thing.
यस,
You. You are perfect in singing, dancing, and everything. Ma'am, you should try acting because you are very camera perfect. You have a very camera perfect face.
यस, खत्म खत्म। ये फीडबैक मैं अपनी मम्मी को दिखा दूं और उसके बाद वो कहे तुम पहले नौकरी छोड़ो, तुम घर चल के बैठो।
Ma'am,
बट
you
यू
should
आर
try.
सो
You are so
स्वीट।
smart.
I'm just
And
smart. I think I'm so smart. I'm almost on the verge of becoming over smart. But thank you, beta. Thank you, bache. You all are. Somebody has said beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. It's about how you see a person, right? It is more that. सबको शायद मैं इतनी amazing नहीं लगूंगी, या शायद तुम लोग भी सबको उतने amazing नहीं लगोगे जितने मुझे लगते हो. Because I have that love for all of you. So it is that. It is simple. But
ma'am,
thank
we
you.
will
You're
always
very kind.
support you.
मेरी पिक्चर देखोगे मतलब?
Yes,
टिकट
ma'am.
खरीदोगे?
Of
1
course.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 टिकटें बिकेंगी मेरी पिक्चर। ठीक है, I'll try. Ma'am, you mentioned earlier that you will share one book's name in the last class. Disgrace. The name of the book is Disgrace. Disgrace. DISGRACE.
Author.
I am forgetting the author. तुम अनम्यूट करके बोलती रहना। कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता। इट्स द लास्ट क्लास। मेरे को ऑथर नहीं याद आ रहा है यार, बड़ा फेमस बंदा है। तुम लिखो, बहुत फेमस किताब है, फटाक से मिल जाएगी। एवरीबडी लाइक्स इट। नहीं तो फिर मैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे फोटो भेज दूंगी उसकी अभी। ठीक है, चलिए।
Ma'am,
बहुत,
ma'am,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, सर सर सर।
I just want to ask that how do you stay so energetic? Like for the last 75 days, every day you are so energetic. So how?
बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल, यू शुड सी मी इन अदर बैचेस। खाने को दौड़ती हूँ मैं बच्चों को। जितना तुम लोग कहते हो, तुम लोग को 4 बार 5 बार डांटा होगा। Those people, I scold them every day. And also, I think it's life. Yeah, life teaches you a lot. There is no drama, there is no gyan behind this. When you like yourself and you like your peace of mind, you become this person that I think I have become. And also, जब अच्छे लोग होते हैं ना आपके आसपास, तो आपके पास एनर्जी होती है, खुशी होती है, स्माइल होती है, कुछ करने का दिल करता है। अच्छे लोग नहीं होते, then you don't feel like doing anything. So I think I will give you all the credits for being so nice and so sweet and so kind. ठीक है, चलें फिर, निकलें?
Ma'am,
Bye
Bye, ma'am.
guys. So much of love for all of you. I will miss you guys.
we all
Bye
will,
bye.
miss you too.
I'll miss you all, man. Hanji? Savan?
ma'am, we all will miss you.
I will miss you too. Amina, I love you too, beta. Yes, that is JM, whatever that is. I think the surname is incorrect. But आप check कर लेना. ठीक है? Loads of love, everybody. I don't want to go, but I have to go. Chalo, bye.
I
Bye.
also
Thank you, ma'am, for
ma'am.
everything.
convinced one of my friend to join the class.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I also convinced one of my friend to join the class.
Good friends. This is what you do. अपने भगवान कह रही हूँ, अपने दोस्त के पैसे वेस्ट करवा के टीचर की क्लास में भेजो. Yes, ये होती है लॉयल्टी. अपना वो लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम चालू कर दूं क्या सुदे? लेवल सबके निकलेंगे. निकलेंगे उसके जो करा रहेगा. कोई नहीं, चलो जी, बहुत हो गया भाई. अब वो चाइनीज डॉल बन चुका है शौर्य, तब से यूं कर रहा है वो. He's been doing this. की जाती क्यों नहीं हो अब? चलो बाय गाइस, बहुत हो गया.
If I
बहुत
get
बहुत
chance,
शुक्रिया.
ma'am, then I will suggest.
Bye, ma'am.
What will you suggest? जाते जाते कोई कुछ बोल देता है.
If
हाँ
I get
बताइए.
chance, ma'am, someone will be interested to learn how to speak in English, then definitely I will recommend your videos, ma'am.
Very kind of you. Thank you. मेरे लिए यही बहुत बड़ी चीज है. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. अपना ध्यान रखना. मैं थप्पड़ मारूंगी शौर्य. Bye bye. Bye bye. नमस्ते योगेश, नमस्ते.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye अंजना, भावनी, सिमरनजीत, सावन, रक्तिम, योगेश, मृत्युंजय, सुदय and शौर्य. Bye.